Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am finally back with another tutorial because one of my friends actually told me that I've been away for quite some time from doing tutorials, so I think it's time for me to go back to my YouTube channel and start doing my all-time favorite video, which is tutorials. So basically in today's video I will be showing few hijab styles by using, as you can see, printed shawl. If you are excited to know how I usually style my printed shawl, please keep on watching.